Hi everyone. Today I just wanted to address a few of the common issues that you might run into setting up and activating your brand new DJI FPV drone. This thing is absolutely awesome, but it is kind of a process to get running for the first time. So hopefully I'll be able to save you some of the pain I went through getting it in the air for the first time. So let's get going. Now to start with, if you're running an Android phone, and you do need a phone to activate, you have to have a phone to activate. It won't work via the DJI Assistant on your computer. You have to have the DJI Fly app on your phone to start out with. So if you have an Android, there's an issue here, because as of the time of this recording, the version of DJI Fly that's on the App Store is not up to date. You need to fly the DJI FPV drone to get it activated. You need the app from DJI's own website, and you need to sideload it onto your smartphone. And that'll take some adjusting your settings on your phone to get it to work. But this is something that I really struggled with to start out with. So if you just go, I'll have the link in the description below to where you can go to find the version of the app that's most up to date and which will get this thing activated. And that might solve a lot of your problems right there. So let's say you've got the correct app downloaded from the DJI website. It's all up to date. It should be able to connect just fine, but it's still just not working. Well, the problem is probably with your cables, and specifically the order they're plugged in. You see this little OTG cable that came with the kit? This is not just a USB-C to USB-A cable. This is an OTG cable, and it is very important. It's necessary for activating the drone and other devices, and for installing firmware updates and a lot of other stuff. It's very important, and it's necessary that this be plugged into the device you're, let's say for example, the headsets here. So we're going to start by connecting that to the data cable that also came with the drone. You're going to want to plug the long end here, the long end of the cable, into your phone, and the short OTG cable into the headset. And just like that, automatically launches into the FPV drone there. And this particular thing gave me a huge headache. It took a long time to solve, and hopefully that really helped you. Hopefully both of these tips helped you and maybe overcame some of the frustrating issues that can be really hard to troubleshoot with this drone. And if you did find this video helpful, maybe consider hitting that subscribe button, like button, the little notification bell. It all helps me, and I'm going to be making a lot more content about and with the DJI FPV drone. I'm going to go flying through the forest today and maybe tomorrow, and get a sort of a forest surfing video, kind of like mountain surfing, but it's forest. Anyway, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.